Hey, what's up guys, Toby here, and we're going to start with a new horror video called Escape Papa Pizzeria's Obby, kung tama yung title. Alright. Nakagulat yun. For some reason. Turn back na, ayoko nga. Alright, pizza, ayoko. Ay, teka, ano yun? Menu? Pepperoni na lang. Lal. Welcome to your doom. Doom ya, tama nga. Sabi na nga, tama ako sa lahat eh. Ano to? Yung leftovers ng ano, ni Papa Pizzeria. O yung maging ingredient. Hindi sure maging ingredient yan. Okay. Then, go back na. Ayoko nga. So, nag-ingay yun ah. Pero I don't care. Ano mo lang yung bear trap. I can see you. Ano yun? Ay! Ay! Saan ako pupunta? yung pizza. Yung tawa mo, ang pangit. Bilis mo ah. Daya. Go! Yung sewer pipes. Ay. What? Ay, teka. Can I cheat? Hindi. Dito. Try ko abutin ito. Sa akin, danger daw. Ay. I think pwede ako mag-cheat doon. Itong idea na to, hindi to sa akin. I saw it from a random player. Doom is coming. Ano yan? Saan ka nakatingin? Sa baba? O, siya natin yung baba. Wala. Okay, don't touch the cobwebs! Ayaw makita yung jump scare. Natakot na ako eh. Alright. Alright. Can I touch this? Hi. Alright, I'm still gonna die. I don't want to spend any money on that. Alright. Alright. Pwede siya mahaba to. Haba ah. Yan. Up, up, up. Alright. Up, up, up. Easier. Alright, I'll follow the pizzas. Ah! Ah! Ang bilis niya! Alright, I think hindi nakabulong dito. Ano yung butas na yun? Alright, I think wala namang purpose yun. Alright. Hindi natin yung goal. Ang goal natin ay ano yung ano. Oh, ano to? Ba't nag-vibrate kayo? Crowbar. Ano ulit yung gagawin? Find the crowbar, right. Ay, kita ko na. Alright, ba't ganyan kayo? Ba't nag-vibrate kayo? Alright, let's go. Hindi mo naman kailangan ibuka lahat. Dapat kasi enough lang para ano. Alright, let's go. Mali lang hairstyle ko eh. Alright. So, para matagal to. Alright. Let's go. Alright, I need to pass this. Go! Go! Alright, see you later. I'll never save you. Bye. Alright. Alright, blender na naman. Yun yung gagamitin kong editor sana soon eh. Blender. Go! Go! Alright. You're gonna dip me on lava? Alright, this will be fun. Oh, we're not. Alright. Jump! Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go there. Alright. I don't want to get a pet alien because I don't have Robux. Ay. Di ko sadya yun. Ayoko na ng butterfly backpack. May backpack na ako. Nya. Sabi pa, ayoko. I don't want to buy any of those. Exit, yay! We're going out. Basura! Dito na lang tayo exit. Towel, alright. Let's go. Run home. Alright, let's go! Go! Ah! Run! Siya na naman! Yung tawa mo, ang pangit, at saka ang pangit ang... Ah! Ang bilis mo! Ah! Ah! Saved. That's... Miracle saved me. I'm out. Alright. Whee! Mag-siso ako. Ay, hindi pala ito siso. Alright, badge. Tinulit ako. Wee! Ito mo, Beyblade oh. Wee! Ah! Alright, so that's for today's video, guys. I hope you like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace.